In today's video, we're walking through how to build, filter, and work on a daily call list inside GoHighLevel. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to organize your leads or really unsure where to start each day with outreach, this video is going to help make your workflow so much clearer and so much more effective. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a prospecting list and how to filter them out for quality leads and how to use them in a daily outreach routine that doesn't feel random or overwhelming. This matters because consistent outreach moves opportunities forward, and a systematic approach makes your efforts repeatable and measurable. So let's get into it. Before we dive in, let's just talk about what GoHighLevel actually is. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform built for marketing, sales, CRM, and automation. You can create a prospecting list inside GoHighLevel to help you organize leads, segment contacts based on criteria, and work through them in a structured outreach workflow. Instead of having leads scattered across spreadsheets and notes and inboxes, you can actually bring everything together in one place. You can then filter, sort, and tag contacts so your daily outreach focuses only on the people most likely to convert or engage. This is going to help teams and solo founders take control of their pipeline without relying on multiple tools. Okay, let's talk about some of the key features of GoHighLevel. So it allows you to build dynamic prospect lists. One of the main things that you can do with GoHighLevel is build lists of prospects based on specific criteria. Instead of manually collecting contacts, you essentially define the qualities that matter. You could do it based on tag, interaction, behavior, and then create it from there. This is going to save you time and reduce guesswork. Dynamic lists change over time too, so as new contacts meet your criteria, they're automatically added to the list without manual updates. You can also do advanced filtering and segmentation. So filtering is essential for prioritizing outreach. GoHighLevel lets you segment prospect lists using multiple filters so you can focus on contacts that matter the most. For example, you can filter by engagement history, tags, last activity date, lead source, custom fields. This ensures you're not wasting energy on stale contacts or irrelevant leads. Daily call list generation. So once you've got your filtered list, then you can go ahead and start making calls. So instead of opening your CRM and scanning for next steps, you already have a curated list that's actionable right away. Also really powerful is that when you have this list, you can also assign tasks and automation features, so you can assign follow-ups, calls, and messages directly from that list. This keeps outreach consistent and connected to your pipeline. When you're working on a list, you can also see recent interactions with each contact. This context is going to help you personalize messages and follow-ups rather than repeating the same generic outreach. Understanding what's already happened just improves follow-up quality. When you have that list, it doesn't just let you see the list, you can actually act on it. So you can update the contact status, log calls, schedule next actions, and even trigger automations directly from the list interface. This turns a static list into a dynamic workflow. This is so important for business owners because consistent outreach is crucial for relationship-based business models like coaching, services, agencies, and consultative sales. If you're only reaching out randomly or reacting to new leads, you're going to miss opportunities that could have been nurtured with intentional follow-ups. A systematic daily list helps you prioritize and stay consistent, which is far more effective than sporadic outreach. Now, how do you actually build a list in GoHighLevel? Let's get into it. So if you don't already have a GoHighLevel account, you can actually get access to a free extended 30-day free trial by using our link down in the description below. Once you click that link, you'll just click start extended free trial. You'll add your company name, full name, email address, phone number. Once you go to step 2, you will have to go ahead and put in your credit card information, but it's not going to charge you until that 30 days is up. So just make sure you set a reminder on your phone. Now, once you are in, we've got our launch pad here. That's just when you're first getting started. We've got our dashboard here, which just pretty much gives you an overview. You've got all of your conversations in here. You've got your calendar. There's contacts and then opportunities. So there's a couple ways you can do this, but I would recommend starting in the opportunities. When you're in opportunities, you can look at it in a list form or kind of this pipeline form. Use whatever feels best for you, but the beauty of this is you can go ahead and create advanced filters. So now we're on the list over here. Obviously, we don't have too many contacts in here right now for the demo, but if you want to add in other details into this list, you can. Days since last updated, maybe we want to add this field, maybe that will be helpful. What we can do is filter. So if the status is open, maybe we want to see where the opportunity source is not empty. So we can apply that. So we can do whatever filters we want. Maybe we want to see who it's assigned to. Maybe we want to do it based on the campaign type. Maybe we want to see the last status change date, maybe last year. So we're really kind of filtering out the newer leads and only doing ones maybe even, last month makes more sense. That way you're getting a very curated list to work off of. And then once you, contact this specific lead, then you can come in here and maybe you booked an appointment. So you can come and select a calendar and add maybe a clarity call. Maybe you want to come in here and add a tasks. So cool. Maybe they said, why don't you follow up with me in a week? Maybe like 7-day follow-up. Okay. Even writing any notes in here based on what they said, then you can go ahead and put the due date on there and you can assign it to yourself as well. If you want to add any notes in here, you can maybe go ahead and put the date on here, and then you can say any notes like they want me to follow up in a week or something like that. Okay, save. So that way you've got everything in here. You've got the opportunity details, you've got the book appointment done, you've got your tasks, you've got your notes. You can also see if they've made any payments and then related objects. Then you can come in here and customize everything. So that way, again, it's this living, breathing list that you can come in here and know what to work from every single day. And since it's filtering, if new leads come in that are in that same criteria, it's going to go ahead and update that. Now let's touch on some common mistakes people make. So a common mistake people make is keeping the list too broad. Huge lists can feel unmanageable and just make it harder to take consistent action. Another mistake is not updating filters over time. As prospects change behavior, your criteria may need a bit of refining. Some users also forget to schedule next step after calls, so logging a call without planning a follow-up wastes opportunities. Working the list with intention matters so much more than just looking at it. Now some of the pros and cons. So one of the biggest advantage of using a list like this is focus. It's going to help you narrow your attention to contacts that matter right now instead of drowning in a CRM full of scattered leads. Another benefit is integration. Lists work with tasks, follow-ups, and even automation, so actions are not disconnected from your pipeline. On the downside, building useful filters requires clarity about what you value. If you choose the wrong criteria, your daily list feels irrelevant. Another consideration is that prospecting lists require regular maintenance. Lists change over time, so you need to revisit them often. Okay, so now let's talk about the different plans and pricing options. Okay, so they've got the starter, the unlimited, and the agency pro. The starter is just $97 per month. You get 3 sub-accounts, unlimited contacts, unlimited users, 24/7 support, and then all of the core features. Then they've got the unlimited plan, which is $297 per month. With this, it's built for growing agencies, so you get everything in the starter plan, but you get unlimited sub-accounts, user agent reporting, and then you can rebill phone and email with no markup, and then basic API access. Then we've got the agency pro plan, which is $497 a month. This is more for SaaS entrepreneurs and agencies. You get everything in the unlimited plan, but you get SaaS mode, automated sub account creation, rebill phone and email with markup, and then advanced API. Again, if you want to get access to an extended 30-day free trial though, you can go ahead and use our link down below. If your business depends on outreach and relationship building, GoHighLevel is definitely worth exploring. It's a great fit for coaches, service providers, agencies, and really anyone who needs to stay consistent with calls and follow-ups. If your leads are mostly inbound and high intent, but you don't need systematic outreach, a simpler approach could probably work. This feature really shines when you value consistency and making sure you're prioritizing the right leads and not just randomly outreaching. Now just a few bonus tips before we wrap up. So first off, start your day by reviewing and updating your list instead of diving straight into calls. Taking a few minutes to check for new leads and update filters is going to pay off when the work feels organized instead of chaotic. Next is to use tags and custom fields to build richer filters. The more specific your criteria, the more relevant your daily list is going to feel, which is going to improve response rates. Another tip is to schedule a consistent outreach block in your calendar instead of spreading calls throughout the day. When you treat it like a block of time with a clear start and end, You're going to avoid interruptions and maintain better focus. Make sure to log call outcomes immediately. Even a quick note helps build context for future interactions so you don't lose track of what was said. Don't skip follow-ups. After calls, use GoHighLevel's automations or task features to plan next steps. This turns one touch point into a conversation series instead of a one-off interaction. And finally, review your list regularly. As prospects progress, they may need a different sequence or a new priority. Keeping lists fresh is just going to keep your outreach intentional. I know how overwhelming it can feel trying to manage outreach while juggling everything else in your business, but making a prospecting list in GoHighLevel is going to help you bring structure to your lead outreach so you know what to work on every single day. If you want to check out GoHighLevel and get an extended 30-day free trial, don't forget to use our link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you master GoHighLevel with simple, practical ways to work faster and build smarter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.